Commander morning. Commanders ayimani sixakekile lama commander. Kakhulu. I was wondering sonke lesi sikhathi ukucheck ukuthi why ama security under pressure. Xhashazwa kangaka uhulumeni wethu wedemocracy. Now the answer is clear. Yesterday I received a message from ama-security aseyikoleni wonke ase-KZN crying with one thing. Laba abantu bagada iy'kole iy'ngane zethu othisha bavimba igebengu to make sure ukuthi iy'ngane zingangeni ney'khali esikoleni nensangu and all that. But in return the government is paying them two lousy 2,000 rand. And they converted them into a EPWP, whereas these people, they undergone security courses and they've got certificates as it was part of recruitment. But into eyenzekayo bakomrade ayikho mnandi kuhulumeni wethu. Umbuzo uthi sizolwa kanjani nama-private companies, private sector, uma uhulumeni wethu ekwazi ukuxhaphaza abantu kanje. Ngike ngabheka futhi nabafowethu laba abangonompilo. Onompilo same thing applied. And lento leni iyakhombisa ukuthi ugovernment uyena lo oletha ilidi yokuthi ama-private sector axhaphaza abantu bakithi. And now I'm busy trying to get hold of wonke ama-security ase-KZN asebenza ngaphansi ka-education ukuthi sikwazi ukwathola siformalize a case against the state. Because u-treasurer knows very well ukuthi sine-crisis yokuthi abantu bakithi baphila under the poverty line. But instead of improving the lives of the people, they just use them as an scapegoat to achieve a budget yabo. But I'm very confused and I'm very angry about what government is doing. Kunama-nurse ahola 5,000 rand. Ama-nurse, abantu abaphethe ama-injection ababizwa ngokuthi ama-essential services, kodwa bahola 5,000 rand. Kunabantu ababizwa ngokuthi ama-social worker and bahola 2.5. Social workers, abantu abakufundela, ngikhuluma mina ngomana lapha sikutshela, they are paid 2,500. What is this? Yini le yenzeke ezweni lethu sakhile macomrade? Yini le yenzeke ezweni lethu? Singapolitika siqede kodwa abantu bakithi mabelambile asenzi lutho. We are creating more instability in the community because there would be crime, because there would be violence in the community, because we are not doing what we're supposed to be doing. Abelungu basincintsha bafowethu ini amathuba, kodwa ke uma sesibona abantu bakithi besincintsha amathuba nge-exploitation esasikade sikuyo ngesikhathi sobandlululo, it worries me. Really, it worries me. Ama-security, ama-cleaner in this country, hey bafethu, uyazi ubusuku nemini uhlala ucabanga ukuthi kahle laba abantu baphila kanjani ngale mali, ngoba igrosa ayikho igrosa less than 2,000. Angikhulumi ke ngokuya kwey'ngane esikoleni, angikhulumi ke ngokwakha, angikhulumi ke ngokuthenga iy'ngubo, angikhulumi ngokunaka ifamily. Umbuzo uthi ke laba abantu basurvive kanjani? That's why there's a lot of corruption in this country. We understand, because abantu bakhona, they are not free economically. Yeah, but only a politics that makes them think that they are free. Actually, they are not free. Our people are not free. But we will try by all means to be free. Bafowethu, let me introduce into ethi, let's all stand up for working class. Let's all stand up for working class. Let's not compromise the workers. Let's not sell the workers to the employers. That's what I'm trying to say to you. I know that on my side, I make sure that my conscience talk about me, not me talk about the conscience. Thank you so much, guys. But let's all the security employees in education or other companies, please join us. This is a revolution. We want to make sure that we change the status quo of the securities and of the cleaners, as well as the public sector. Mandla, we too, please send this video to all people of this country who are suffered with consequences of the exploitation and political gain, because this is all about political gain, where people, they just exploit people with an intention of talking about poor, talking about building houses. Why we can't build our own houses? We don't need RDP houses. Give us a job, then we will build our own houses. We will take our children to school for our money, not for government money. We don't want grants, actually. We want jobs. Okay, comrades, siyabonga. Securities, I'm here. Cleaners, I'm here. All sectors, multi-sectors, I'm here. We are here as Sun for South. South Africa is not for sale. Workers Union, MK Labor Desk. We are here to fight your battles. We will fight your battles until no one stand for working class. Mandla.